guys, what's up? It's Noitives here. So today we're going to unbox these beautiful shoes of OnCloud. And again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I have a new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started. So there you go, guys. So again, it's here, the on cloud. So I'm so excited to unbox this one here because it's really amazing. It's beautiful cloud. So again, this is a called Cloudtilt, and the size of this one here is size 12. That's my size of my foot. So again, one thing I like the tilt because they are so comfortable in wearing for walking or any, if we go for vacation. I really like the OnCloud, although again it's a little bit expensive, but again the comfortability, it's really awesome. So are you excited, guys, with the color of this one? Ooh, look at that. It's beautiful color. Wow. See, it's very good, nice, very nice shoes actually. And again, I have lots. I think I got 4 shoes that's almost same as this, but they have different color. But the good thing for this one here, for me, it's very comfortable. And one thing I like in clouds, most especially the cloud that I really like to buy, it's like, the shoelace that they have. It's like a rubber shoelace that they use instead of, you go sit down and tie it up or something. So again, for me, that I'm a little bit bigger tummy, it's kind of hard for me to to tighten the shoelace. But this time, you just put your foot here and then bang. That's about it. So it's beautiful. Actually, one thing I like this one here because the color, actually, it's really good one, right? Beautiful color combination plus white color and like a maroon color here at the back, and it's beautiful. It's Swiss engineering. Look at that. So it's beautiful. So again, I got the other one here. And again, this is not a sponsored vlog, guys. I just bought this one here in one of the mall in Calgary, and this is what they have. And again, so beautiful. Look at that. So the color combination, actually, it's really beautiful. It's a maroon, kind of a maroon color of this one here. So, but again, it's like a sand ivory. That's the color of this one. There you go, sand ivory. So that's the color of this one here. But again, that's what I've said. It's expensive, yes, but it's very comfortable. For me, I'm happy with this one here. Although it's expensive, but again, it's so comfortable. Ooh, look at that. So the compression for this one here, again, it's really nice one, and it's very light, super light, actually, very light shoes. So that's the other thing that I like, wearing light shoes. And when you go for walking or you go for vacation, and more especially when you go to Europe, lots of walking, lots of walking that you need to do in your trip going to Europe. And again, I advise you to wear a comfortable shoes when you go for walking, especially summer or well, again, in any weather condition, you can wear this one, the OnCloud. I really recommend this one because for me, it's really comfortable and it's really nice one, actually. Yeah, so again, this is a size 12, and UK it's 11.5 OnCloud, and they have those tag over here that you can see. So yeah, it's really beautiful actually. So amazing. So I love the shoes of OnCloud. So but again, there's lots of OnCloud happening. They have lots of new shoes that you can buy. They have lots of models that you can buy. So again, lots of designs actually. Just go on their website and you can find this one on their website, and whatever you like. They're actually the grip with its there's water or something. It's a really good one. It holds really. It's really good grip on the bottom of the shoe. So it's really good one. One thing I like this one here really. They have I have one with for rain shoes on cloud, but again it's really good too. Again, it's waterproof one. Hopefully they have a different design of their waterproof. I know that they have a different style on those ones, but yeah, so far on this kind of design I like it because they're the tilt actually. They have lots of variety of colors. If you want to if you're gonna go to the website, they have lots of design of tilt and the cloud tilt that you can choose from. And again, it's really beautiful, amazing. Um, Again, that's what I've said. What you pay is what you get, right? Always think about it. If you do buy an expensive one, you can see the the quality when you buy one. But again, if you're gonna go with the cheaper one, of course, what you pay. Always remember that one. That what you pay is what you get. Okay. So again, for me, for my purchase of this, about 210, I think, when I bought this one. So it's amazing. So I have no problem with that pricing. And again, I just wear this one occasionally. It's not a daily wearing of the shoes because again, that's what I've told. Like I think I got this is my seventh pair of shoes already. So I got lots of shoes already that's in on cloud, and I really love them. More especially that now it's summertime, so it's really nice to wear this one. And it's kind of hard for you to wear this on winter time because snow and this is white. Remember that one. And again, to maintain that one, after I wear this one, I clean it right away and then put it in the storage box. So I put it on one storage box. So anyway, again, thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you're not yet subscribing, please do subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that be notified every time I have a new video uploaded on this channel. And again, this is Noitebs. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone.